Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the countryside, lived a young boy named Rahul. Rahul was known for his impatience. He always wanted things to happen quickly and couldn't stand waiting. One day, his grandfather decided it was time to teach Rahul an important lesson about patience. Grandfather took Rahul for a stroll through the village and led him to a beautiful garden. The garden was filled with vibrant flowers of all colors, and in the middle, there was a tiny sapling planted in the ground. Rahul's impatience started to show when he saw the sapling. Curiously, Rahul asked his grandfather, "Why is this sapling so small? Why hasn't it grown into a big tree like the others?" Grandfather smiled and said, "Rahul, this sapling represents the virtue of patience. Just like it takes time for a sapling to grow into a mighty tree, patience is needed to achieve great things in life." Rahul was puzzled, but his grandfather continued, "You see, Rahul, everything in life takes time. Just as this sapling needs water, sunlight, and nurturing to grow, our dreams and goals require patience and perseverance." Grandfather then handed Rahul a watering can and said, "Every day, I want you to come here and water this sapling. Be patient and consistent in your efforts, and you will witness the power of patience." Rahul agreed reluctantly and began watering the sapling every day. However, he couldn't help but feel frustrated by the slow progress. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months, yet the sapling remained small. One evening, Rahul was feeling particularly discouraged. He went to his grandfather and exclaimed, "Grandpa, I've been watering this sapling for months, but it hasn't grown an inch. I'm losing my patience." Father smiled and said, "Rahul, have faith and continue watering it. Patience isn't just about waiting, it's about having trust and belief in the process." Rahul took his grandfather's words to heart and continued to water the sapling, although he still felt uncertain. Then, one fine morning, as the sun rose, Rahul noticed something miraculous. The sapling had grown taller and sprouted fresh green leaves. Rahul couldn't believe his eyes. Excitedly, Rahul ran to his grandfather and shouted, "Grandpa, the sapling has grown. It's becoming a tree." Grandfather smiled warmly and said, "That, my dear Rahul, is the power of patience. Just like the sapling needed time, care, and perseverance, our dreams and goals require the same. Remember, great things come to those who can endure with patience." From that day forward, Rahul's perspective on patience changed completely. He realized that impatience only hinders progress, while patience brings about growth, success, and fulfillment. He applied this valuable lesson to all aspects of his life, whether it was studying, pursuing hobbies, or building relationships. The story of the sapling and Rahul reminds us that patience is a virtue that can transform our lives. It teaches us to have faith in the process, trust in ourselves, and persevere through the challenges that come our way. With patience as our guiding force, we can achieve great heights and witness the beautiful fruits of our labor.